everybody, welcome back to Plum Figgy. This is Tammy. Alright, we've got a flip through today of this junk journal that we put together in the last week. So without further ado, if this is the first time you're seeing this is kind of a fun little project I came up with off the top of my head. I had these big tags and this is just fuzz from the velvet trim here, so I'll clean that up before it gets sent off. It's not bleeding, I promise. So yeah, got some big tags. We sandwiched some fabric in between it's white with gray snowflakes and then silver shimmer. And then each tag I have collaged with a really fun mixture of antique or not laces, some images I found on copyright-free websites that are very Christmassy related, and then added a little sentiment to each one. So this one says, "To you, a Merry Christmas Day." We've got really gorgeous lace there and just 3 little images. And then on the back side of each of these tag pages, there is some of this. It's digital. It's from a digital kit. And then there is cardstock, packaging paper, vellum, and then the writing paper. So you can easily write on that. And actually, if you wanted to, you could flip it around like this and make your front page a different one if you didn't, or change it. Yeah, so it's really versatile. As you can see, the binding is some hemp twine, and I've got 3 pieces for each hole. If you really hate that and you want to do something different, you could easily do that too once you get it. And then, okay, so let's keep going. So we've got, this one says, "A Winter Wonderland." We've got some laces there, and then the images again. The background is different. So this one has like a script background, and then this one has music notes. Some more lined paper there. And then in between each 2 tags, I have 10 pages of just tea-dyed papers or other printables that I've used to make some fun writing paper. So really kind of a fun little unique journal. I think it'll be a lot of fun to write in, if nothing else, but easy to add your memories to, photos if you want, more collages maybe. Okay, this one says "Happy Holidays" here. Got some laces down here and some lace there. And then, of course, the really pretty pictures. It's kind of got a pink... Oh, everybody's texting me. Some more writing paper on the back. And then this one says "Good Tidings of Comfort and Joy." And some pretty images there again. And then here we have our pages to write on or use however. And notice I did add hole reinforcers to each of the holes, which have been dyed with distress stain. So they should be pretty, I mean, don't go tugging on it, but it's pretty solid. They're not going anywhere. So I love the backs of these. They're just so pretty with the different lace designs. And then everybody is messaging me. Sorry about that. I usually turn that off. This one says "A Merry, Merry Christmas Day." And if you're curious about how I put this together, I'll link the series of videos below where I did it on camera. So another one of the velvet trim there says "Making Spirits Bright." And then here's our last grouping of writing papers. So 10, I think I said this before, but 10 papers in between each one. just the various different, you know, papers. Digital kit again. Really pretty lacy pattern on the back. Or fabric. And then now we have our last two collage tags. So here's this one. It says around the Christmas tree. And then this one says peace on earth. So there we go. And then of course on the back side, some of these, as you noticed, didn't have writing lines. So yeah. So, alright, I'll have this listed in my Etsy shop, and of course I'll have a link to that down in the description box below if you're interested. And with that said, I hope you all have a very merry holiday weekend, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!